Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and this is going to be a plan with me in my first monthly view in my brand new 2022 planner. I am extra excited, which I probably say every single video, but it's just a reset of a brand new year in a brand new planner in a brand new month. It's just something extra special. So I am combining squad life with squad goals because these girls are super cute. They are like hanging out in the snow and sledding and skateboarding and making snow angels, all of that. And I am going all out. I am putting the girls everywhere. So the colors are mostly going to be like light blue, navy, and then it actually ends up being a lot of like a really pretty muted green. So I made sure to include this big Mambi sticks of these two girls sledding together, and the first row in this month is totally blank, and so putting this big sticker down actually really only covered up like a day and a half. So it's no big deal. I thought it was really cute up there. And I don't normally start decorating this early on, but I had a vision and I really wanted to make sure that all the girls were placed down in spots that were evenly spaced apart, and then I started putting down on the functional things. Now, that is completely out of character, but I was just like really excited to get these girls down, so I just started going at it. And thankfully, January really is not going to be that busy of a month of, as far as plans go, because I guess I'll announce it here. I haven't really announced it on my personal social media, but I'll tell you guys here that we are going to be moving, and we are going back to where we initially moved from in 2020. So we did a little hiatus of moving 3 hours away, and now we are going right back. And it only lasted a year and a half, but we're going right back. My husband's job wants him back in the other office, so we're going. And we do not have any complaints about it because it's been lonely living 3 hours away from all of our friends and all of our family. So we are going to be putting our house on the market this coming up week, and more than likely we'll be having our full day of open house on Saturday. And then at least by maybe the end of the month, or at least, beginning of February, we're going to be back there. So, the moving process is not super fun. I mean, let's just be honest, but it's not the end of the world. We're young. We can move it. We can do this thing. And thankfully, we are now really minimalist. And so we don't have that much stuff. It won't be that big of a deal. So anyways, it's not going to be that busy of a month as far as like going places, doing things, appointments, stuff like that. It's pretty much just going to be like packing the house, after the house sells. So I know right now it is a seller's market, so the house will sell immediately. I mean, it was a brand new house. Just the buying process back home, it's probably going to be quite a task, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, once I stuck the girls down, I made sure to put the rest of these snowflakes and they're kind of like snowballs, but they were like super tiny. I scattered those all around, and then I put down stickers for payday. And then I did a few different boxes for like bills. There's a birthday here and there. And then any of the other stickers that matched really well, I went ahead and stuck down those as well. And then I had out all the plans where I got the payday stickers out. And I realized that there was a lot of this green that was matching really, really well. And then kind of like that periwinkle color. So I found quite a few stickers that worked really well with the spread. So I went ahead and pulled those out. So like this focus, which will probably be like a packing day on that weekend. And then the arrow down there, it says this cannot wait or something like that. That is the Target payment that I need to make. And then I took out this bill due or money due, something like that, and put that over there. And the colors are just really, it worked out really, really well. I'm very pleased with the color combinations of this spread. It's just so cute. These girls are to die for. I need to get both of these books again. This is like, it's a classic sticker book that is just, for me at least, never going to go out of style. I love, 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 love the Squad Girls. They're just so stinking fun. No matter what. Like, the winter girls, the summer girls, the spring girls are so stinking adorable. So, all right, it is all done. Per request, I slowed down the end of this video so that you could get a full view of how it turned out. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.